I'm filming this intro after I've demolded, and holy cannoli, you guys are not ready for this one. Hello friends, welcome to Wednesday's video. Yes, this was originally going to be a Tuesday video, but I wanted to wait for some stuff to come in the mail. Anyway, although I do have a Let's Resin affiliate code, I bought this with my own money. And I've had them on my list for a little while now, not too long. These are holographic coasters. And they're real pretty. The only thing that I didn't realize when I ordered these was that while you get 4 coasters, there's only 2 designs on the coasters. So, which is fine. I just, for some reason, just automatically thought that it was 4 different designs on the coasters. So, we're going to try these out today. I'm going to try them with black resin, because from past experience, using any kind of colored resin is not really going to work. But let's see if I can show you. Okay, sorry about that. Housemate was calling down for dinner. Yeah, so you can kind of see it. So this design is a bunch of kind of like a geometric type shape. So that's those. And then for this one, I don't know if y'all are really going to be able to see it all that well. Yeah, it's kind of hard to show you guys on camera. There we go. You're kind of seeing it there in the upper right hand corner. Or left hand corner. Left hand. Right hand. Oh my god, I don't know. Over here is where you can kind of see it. So it's like lines. So yeah. So we're going to pour these, see how they work, see if they do a good job. And then hopefully they work. Hopefully they look cool. I mean, I have faith in them because they're from Let's Resin. If they were from like an off-brand, I'm not sure that I would have as much faith as I do in them. But we're going to give them a try and see. Okay? Alright, so let's mix up the resin and paint it black. Well, should we see how they turned out? I'm nervous. I'm nervous, you guys. I don't know why I'm nervous. Oh, wow. You can see that instantly, can't you? Wow. So cool. Let's Resin has hit it out the ballpark again. Yes, hunty. Okay. Wow. What do we think? Ah! These are so cool. These are so freaking cool. That's crazy. It's so weird that it, obviously it's because it's black underneath. And like you can't really see it. I can see it in person really well, but it shows up a lot better on the actual coaster. Oh my goodness, I love these. I love these. I think they also make some Christmas ornaments that are the same. Well, if Let's Resin doesn't, I know somebody does. That's weird. There's like a blank spot right there. And I was thinking maybe there was something on it. Let's see. Let's grab paper towel. Well, is there something on it, or is it just the mold itself? Yes, I just dropped something. Or is it just my old eyeballs this early in the morning? Nope, I think it's my old eyeballs. Because it did look like there was a blank spot, but now it's gone. So, I don't know, maybe I just touched it or something. Okay. What do you guys think? I'm excited about these. Mostly it makes me excited for the future to see what else Let's Resin comes up with this kind of holographic inlay kind of thing. It's also really super interesting because I know I'm rambling a bit. I'm sorry. When you feel the coasters, like the base part, it's not raised up or anything. You know, like this, like the window cling stuff, this has a texture to it. It's raised up. Whereas on these coasters, it's not. It's just completely flat. So I'm so curious how they did this. Either way, they look fantastic. I'm so excited about these. I might try these again a few weeks from now and do them in like a colored, like maybe a blue mica powder. You know, pardon me. It's 7:45 in the morning. Like mix the blue mica powder into the actual resin, not dust it with the blue mica powder, if that makes sense. Anyway, yeah, so that's today's video. Really excited about this one, you guys. If you enjoyed it, please do let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.